Hey everyone, welcome to Power BI Consulting Pro. If you've ever worked with tables in Power BI and wished you could quickly turn one of those columns into a simple list, maybe for filtering, calculations, or just easier analysis, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you step by step how to convert a table to a list in Power Query. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to transform your table into a list in just a few clicks, making your data manipulation much more powerful and flexible. Alright, let's dive right in. First, open up Power BI. If you already have your project open, you'll land on the familiar dashboard where all your datasets live. Now look for the table you want to work with. Maybe it's your sales table or perhaps a list of products. Go ahead and click to select that table from the Fields pane on the right. This tells Power BI which data set you want to focus on for this conversion. Next, you'll need to access Power Query, which is kind of like the workshop behind the scenes where you can really shape and prep your data before using it in your reports. To do this, simply right-click on the table you just selected. In the context menu that pops up, find the Edit Query option and click it. Don't worry if this takes a few moments to load. Power Query Editor is opening up your data model so you can get to work. Once you're in the Power Query window, you'll see all the columns of your table laid out in front of you, almost like a spreadsheet. Now decide which column you want to convert into a list. For this example, let's use the product name column. Just scroll across and click on it so it's highlighted. Selecting the right column is important because this is the exact set of values that will form your new list. Think of it like telling Power BI, hey, I just need a plain list of all these product names, nothing else. Now look toward the top of the screen. You'll see a bunch of tabs, Home, Transform, Add Column, and so on. Click on the Transform tab. This is where all the magic happens when you want to modify the shape and structure of your data. Inside the Transform tab, you'll find various options for changing your data, but what you're looking for is Convert to List. Go ahead and click on that. What Power BI does here is pretty neat. It will collapse your selected column, so instead of having a structured table with rows and other columns, you're left with a single list of the values from your selected column. It's like taking one ingredient out of a recipe and putting it aside for special use, without carrying along all the other ingredients. And really, that's it. At this point, you've successfully converted your table into a list. You can now use this list however you want, maybe as a lookup table for filtering or as part of a more complex data transformation. If you're new to Power BI, it's normal to feel a little uncertain the first time, but trust me, you'll get the hang of it quickly. Remember, the more you explore the Power Query Editor, the more you'll discover just how powerful and flexible your data can become. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions or if you ran into any issues along the way, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. And of course, subscribe for more tips, tricks, and deep dives into Power BI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.